But first up this morning, this magazine, Country Woman, is filled with great ideas for your sweetheart, including the key to her sweet tooth. Today, we're going to show you how to make an adorable box of chocolates cupcakes. And they are as beautiful as they look on that magazine cover. They look even more gorgeous in person.
I love this. I always fear I can't really imitate or do it in person. So with us now is the chief food editor of Country Woman, Karen Berner. Good morning, Karen.
Good morning.
Can we all do this?
We can. I actually have
promise?
you all set up.
I mean, because even this looks fancy. Like, I'm
Doesn't it?
intimidated by the setup.
Well, you know, we don't. There's no decorated decorum here. So,
Okay.
whatever works. So.
What I think is great about this is, and there are multiple steps, I'll just let you know in advance, but the thing is that the time that you put into doing this, maybe you do it with a friend, maybe you do it with your kids, maybe you do it by yourself as a love gift. I think to present cupcakes that look that beautiful, and if they taste anything as good as they look, what a beautiful gift to give someone.
They're really decadent, and the fun part is for the kids is decorating. I think that's the fun part.
All right, so let's get going.
Okay.
Show us these steps.
So,
what do we do?
So really, you're going to start with a box cake mix, a Devil's Food cake mix.
Okay, Devil's
so
Food.
there's a nice convenience item, but we've amped up the flavor a little bit and added some strong brewed coffee to that. So a little different.
That's great.
And then we bake those off at 325.
Real quick, do you replace anything when you add the coffee, or are you replacing?
No, actually, no. It's like the box mix usually uses eggs and canola oil. This is actually a little bit of extra moisture, which is fine.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, so we're going to amp up that flavor a little bit. So baked off 325 for 18 to 22 minutes, let them cool, and then you can decorate away. So we've come up with 3 different fillings. So that's a little bit different twist on your typical, cupcake.
Yeah, and is there a secret if you're filling a cupcake? Do you do that before it bakes or after?
After it bakes.
You do it after it bakes. How do you get it in there, though?
So we'll show you that.
Okay, good.
Sure. So we have three different fillings. Again, we're thinking we're going to add a little bit more flavor each step we go. We have coffee here.
Okay.
We have everybody's favorite, Nutella.
Oh, Nutella here in the middle. Okay, I gotcha.
And a little OJ. And each of these gets also a little bit of whipped topping folded in, so it makes it nice and fluffy.
Oh, okay. So in each one of these bags, this one with the chocolate has orange juice, frozen concentrate added. This one has a little Nutella in it as part of the chocolate and the whipped topping, and then Tiff has the coffee.
Right.
Okay.
So, and that's it. So we also made a chocolate ganache, which is really decadent. And that's
is that what's right here?
Yep. So it's nice and smooth and
what's in that?
Creamy. So that's just bittersweet chocolate with some whipping cream and a little bit of corn syrup. And the corn syrup is a good tip because it makes it a little bit more pliable and won't set up quite as quickly as if you made a regular frosting.
And is that going to go on top then of the cupcakes?
We're going to have you dip those right in there. Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
So to fill these, I'm going to have you work right with me.
Okay.
Just grab a cupcake.
Okay.
And go ahead and, sorry, I had a little bit
This
too much
is just a little wooden stick.
No, I get that.
So you have a wooden skewer. Yep, that's all it is.
And
just
you're putting
you can watch me do this right over here.
Oh.
Right.
Okay.
So it's a little different. So we got a little hole going.
Don't
Make a little
poke all
hole.
the way.
Right. No. Well, you can go about halfway to 3/4 into it.
Okay.
Then you're going to take your pastry bag and you're going to just like a tube of toothpaste.
Okay.
This is so easy.
Got my pastry bag.
Right. Put it right in there.
Okay.
Insert it into the hole.
A healthy squeeze.
Fill it up.
Okay.
Oh my goodness!
And that's all it is. And you can kind of feel. Could you feel it coming out?
Oh my gosh, it's so fun!
Yeah.
Oops, I started. I did
I like pressed from the bottom.
That's okay. Yeah,
I did too.
You're coming out here. So.
Oh yeah.
So you want to do it all the way?
So thank you.
Nope, just a little bit, maybe half to 3/4, and then. And this is another great tip for everybody at home when you're filling pastry bags. Put them in a glass tumbler or a plastic tumbler, so you can actually fill them in there, and then they're out of your way. So that's all it is. Now you have a nice.
That was so easy.
Stuffed cupcake.
So, okay. So next up, fun. So we got this nice creamy
ganache.
Decadent. And you're just gonna go ahead and dip
it.
that in.
Oh, okay, I'll do that here.
Yeah, give it a little smush.
Look at you.
Ooh, a little smush.
This is the greatest idea.
So give it a little smush.
Look at that.
And then, by virtue of that ganache being so nice and smooth
that
and
is
creamy.
So cool.
Oh, that's perfect.
Oh, that looks
right.
I feel really fancy.
Glossy
Should I
and
dip
great.
yours for
yes,
you?
I love that. Thank you.
Okay. That is so cool looking. Okay, and so that's going to kind of like
so that's
beautiful.
Up a little bit. Yeah. So, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I feel super fancy.
So now we made a white chocolate ganache, and Same process as a bittersweet chocolate ganache. And then we tinted it with some food coloring. And I'm going to give you
Ooh.
this pretty color.
this is
and so
fancy.
this is
Red.
another tip that we do so that
Look at
it
this
doesn't come out,
tip.
because the icing's a little bit softer.
So you
You
put a
don't
little
want it-
wooden
so
stick
you
in
just,
there.
Yep, go ahead and take that
Take
out.
out the wooden
Okay.
stick.
Right,
Okay.
so now when you decorate, you're going to hold with your right hand, and with your
Okay.
left hand, you're going to hold the tip.
And kind of
underneath,
guide it? Oh,
and,
under?
And kind of guide. Yep, and just
Do I get to do anything?
Just go crazy.
I'm going to go crazy and do a heart
That's
like
perfect.
this.
Look at
Oh my gosh, you guys done this before?
No.
No,
Well,
never.
yes, I have decorated cupcakes.
Okay.
I have like a
And then
whole
I'm
cupcake
gonna
kit
do
at home because
little
I'm obsessed.
dots in
You
mine.
have
with
to make these at home
cupcakes.
too.
Oh, this is so fun.
So the kids absolutely love it. Yeah, and we also have some great candies here. If you're not as adept at, piping frosting,
Oh,
we have some
cool.
really fun.
Look at
what I
this.
made for you.
Look at how it turned
That's
out.
awesome.
Perfect.
Yeah, you guys did a great job.
Look what I did for you.
I think mine's upside down.
Oh, you're hired. We can always.
Oh, I
use
got a
it.
little chocolate there on my finger. Whoops. Okay,
Yeah,
there
it's a
you
little
go.
messy, but it's a good
great.
messy. Yeah. So Country
That's
Woman.
awesome.
Yeah. So Country Woman magazine. This is where it's on newsstands now.
Great.
For the Feb March issue and.
And did we get a good shot of the finished
they're
products?
really beautiful.
Oh, we have the magazine cover, but then look at the cupcakes that they did in advance there that are in that
Do you have to
heart
put
tray.
a parchment
You
paper on
can,
top?
Yeah, it's probably a good idea because you are filling from beneath and
The
you don't get
bottom.
the chocolate. Or you can put these in another cupcake liner, a second cupcake liner, before you put them in the box. That's another
great.
nice tip.
And people
Ken.
can find the recipe in this edition
Yes.
of Country Woman, the
Right.
February Valentine's edition, which is
Right,
fantastic.
and also countrywomanmagazine.com.
Okay, so you can find it online as well. And there again is that website. This is so fun.
Great.
Countrywomanmagazine.com. They'll break down all the step-by-step instructions as well as all the ingredients. Just a way to kind of like pump up your devil's food cake mix
Right.
and make a great cupcake with some strong coffee and then different types of toppings and fillings, which is fun.
Right.
So nice to have
Thanks,
you here.
Thanks for having me.
Thank
This
you
was
so
great.
much.
Thanks.